And here is part 4 of Learn Yoruba in 4 weeks. At this stage, this is what you should learn. Simple greetings in Yoruba. You want to say, how are you? You say, Bawoni or Showa Dada. If you want to say that to another person, you say, Shewa Dada. I'm fine is Mowa Dada. Mowa Dada. And then you want to say, and you? That's going to be Iwonko. You want to say that to another person, you say, Enyinko. Enyinko. Good morning. Ekaaro. Good afternoon. Ekaasan. Good early evening. Ekurole. Good evening. Ekale. Good night. Odaro. Goodbye. Odabo. Sorry. Pele. If you're saying to another person, you say Epele. Don't be angry. Mabinu. And you're saying to another person, you say Emabinu. Thank you. Oshe. To another person, you say Eshe. If you are coming from outside, you are greeting people you are meeting at home. You're saying something like good home. You say Ekule. Ekule. And then if you are the one at home, you're welcoming people back home. You're saying something like you're welcome. That's going to be Ekabo. So when someone says Ekule, the response is Ekabo. And now you want to say, did you sleep well? You want to ask if someone slept well. Yoruba will say, Sho sun dada. Sho sun dada. And if you're saying it to another person, you say, Share sun dada. Share sun dada. Which simple greeting would you like to know in Yoruba? Kindly put it in the comments and I'll respond. If you want to get our Yoruba learning ebooks, you can send a DM. You would be attended to shortly.